Did you know that you can use aggregate functions in PS Query for some simple data analysis? So let's recap from previous. What do ag functions do? Well, they summarize data across rows using sum, average, count, minimum, and maximum kinds of functions or operators. In one of my in person advanced query classes years ago, I had a participant explain how they use query to pull a lot of data that they then edit in Excel. They would rearrange columns and then use pivot tables to summarize values. They would then share that Excel file with their supervisor. When they took us through their process, it made me think about how they could leverage one very powerful feature of PS Query to make that entire process easier, faster, and more sustainable. How might we use aggregate functions to minimize additional work in Excel and share the final results with others who need to systematically access up to date information and gain insights about students? Aggregate functions are not just cool features in PS Query, they can allow you to do simple and complex data analysis all within Query Manager and without the need to export and edit your data in Excel. Consider the power of the sum function. By counting up the total number of students in a particular course, you can put on your data analyst cap on and derive insights into demand for a course or even resource allocation. See, data analysis is not part of this online course, but you can certainly exercise some of those skills using Query. At its core, an aggregate function takes multiple inputs and returns a single output.